how to transfer Solana from Mudrex to Xenith Wallet in 2025. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll show you how to transfer Solana, SOL, from Mudrex to your Xenith Wallet in 2025. Let's get started. Log into Mudrex. Open the Mudrex platform and log into your account. Go to Withdrawal section. Navigate to the Wallet or Account section. Find and select the Withdraw option. Select Solana, SOL. Choose Trash Solana, SOL from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Enter your Xenith Wallet address. Open your Xenith Wallet and click on Receive to get your Solana wallet address. Copy the address from your Xenith Wallet. Paste the address in Mudrex. Paste the Xenith Wallet address into the recipient field on Mudrex. Enter the amount. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Confirm and submit the transfer. Double-check the transaction details. Confirm the transfer and complete any two-factor authentication, 2FA, if required. Wait for the transfer to complete. The transfer should take a few minutes to complete. You will receive a notification once it's successful. And that's it. You've successfully transferred Solana from Mudrex to your Xenith wallet. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.